So, bibili kami ng shawarma. Yeah, pasok tayo guys. Yan. Ayan. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening. Char. So, ayan. Order si daddy ng shawarma. Nagtitinda yung dito sila ng juice na sugar cane. Yeah. Dalawang small. How about you? Wala naman.
7 layers, 10 layers. 20 layers, 30 layers.
Yan, watermelon lang guys. Hindi siya umiinom ng order na shawarma. Giant, no? Giant shawarma. Yan, midnight snack again. Wala na tayong pag-asang pumayat. So, huwag na tayo magpapayat, guys. Yarn. Maraming mga Pinoy din sa labas.
Okay.
Tignan mo natin na. Ay, pagkainin mo dito, wala man silang kainan. Ah, pwede kumain? Ito. Guys, kaming mga nakaabang pa sa labas. Okay na ang order namin guys. So, i-take home na lang. So, ayan guys. Nag-iantay kami ng watermelon juice. It's already done. Let's go home, baby. Yan. Yummy? Wow, that's your favorite? Ha? Oh, let's go na. Yan, Laksham. Saan, Dad? Diyan na lang? Here. We're going home. Dito kami dadaan kasi wala masyadong sasakyan. That's why. So, happy na siya. Mayroon na siya watermelon juice. Wala ba sila ditong sago da? Wala silang sago? Oo. Sarap yan. Sana may sago ang ilalim. Sago.
Sago?
Yeah, the black one. Ano? Pearl. Pearl. Yeah. So, ayan. Malapit na kami. Yan yung sikat na bilihan ng mga pabango. So, we're here na. Almost there, baby. Ayan, oh. Mga mamahaling pabango. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Ladies Market. Apura na mo uli ang isa. Yan. Cute talaga ng pailaw nila eh. Nagliligpit na sila guys. Yan. Nagliligpit na sila. Ang gaganda ng mga dress na yan. Hi baby! Baby! Ayan, dito din may city flower pero maliit lang compare doon sa pinuntahan namin. Wala kasi dyan malaking lotion. Oh, sige, yaw-yaw. Oh. Tinitingnan ako ng mga tao. Charot. Nabuang man siguro ni sige, yaw-yaw. Nabuang na, sige, yaw-yaw. Oh, careful. Madagma ka, day. Madagma siya. Ayan, oh, diba? City flower din yan. Pero maliit. Diba? Buhay na buhay talaga dito kapag gabi.
Ako to.
Ayan ang tindahan niya ng mga damit. Dito na kami, guys.
You're tired.
No, how about you?
I'm tired too.
Really?
I'm tired.
Wala man gani kay dala bago tired ka pag sure.
And
You look like sleepy.
And hungry.
Are you sleepy?
Kinda.
Wow. You need to sleep early, ha?
Hungry.
Yan.
Super hungry.
Super hungry?
Yeah.
Come on.
I want this.
Wow. So ayan guys, itutur ko kayo sa aming house. Akyat tayo dito sa second floor. Dito sa hagdan. Tanaw-tanaw ta kasi lagapak ta sa ubos. Where are you going, Day?
I forgot.
Ay, kikapoy si Mami. Hi, baby. Let's go inside. Uy, gutom man ang Miron. Ang alalay.
I'm hungry and sleepy.
Hungry and sleepy?
Yeah, I need energy.
Welcome home, baby. Uy, what are you doing there? Kasi ang daming mga pang ano yan, package.
That's a long.
Kita po siya, guys. Pero
I need to take up my sleeper.
wala naman siyang dala. So yan yung mga ano ng kapitbahay namin, guys. Ipapa baggage din.
Yeah, one.
Ayan, guys, oh. Ang dami, no? Ipapapackage yan ng aming kapitbahay, guys.
Pero meron din kami ito.
So ito naman yung sa akin, guys. Ayan. O, diba? Pero 4 na malita pa rin ang dala ko. Oy, char. So yan yan. Makati Express, baka naman. Yummy?
Yummy.
O, diba? Yummy daw. Di kapoy. Favorite ka kasi.
Try it. It just already melt, but it's fine.
Yummy.
You letting me laugh. That's close. I almost.
So magmi-midnight snack kami, guys. Mag-11 o'clock na dito.
What?
Yan. Hindi na to talagang wala na tayong pag-asang pumayat, guys. Kain tayo, guys. Talagang pataba na tayo nito, guys.
Let me see inside, please.
Yummy.
Just french fries in there.
Yeah.
It was yummy.
Yeah, I told you. Ang shawarma nila dito kay may French fries. More. Wait, that is pork. Ingon lang na kung pork, guys. Kaya din ang mukha. Ang dili ingon pork. Kaya ang totoo beef yan.
Daddy.
Enjoy, guys.
Daddy. This one.
Lagi to
Mukbang.
take that.
Daddy, taste the shawarma. Mommy
It's so
cooking.
warm, huh?
Yeah.
It's yummy.
Napagod siya
Yeah.
mag-ikan.
There's french fries in there too.
Here.
Really?
That is french fries and pork.
And pork.
Mm. Kaiba ang shawarma nila dito. Sa Pilipinas, wala man ganito. Parang purong beef lang, no? Pero hindi ko din alam kasi never pa nga pala ako nakatikim ng shawarma doon kasi hindi ako kumakain
Did
ng
you
shawarma.
think this one
Dito lang sa Saudi.
already Dad did? Where's that at? It's too yummy.
Mabuti hindi spicy ang in-order mo.
Normal.
Daddy, stage one.
Pataba na tayo ito ng
Stage
pataba.
one. Stage one. Stage one.
You want?
No, stage one. I will.
Mm.
What's french fry? Yummy. What's that? What's that? What's that? This french fries? I can get it. This french fries? I have to get the french fries. It's slippery. There's a lot of french fries. Yummy?
Mm.
I told you.
You want to eat? Get your... If you want to eat, you have chicken there, right?
You want to eat your chicken?
Yeah.
Bye guys, thank you for watching.
Hmm.
Nagpalaway na talaga ako
Yummy.
dito guys. Wala akong makontent. Hindi ako kumain.